What if the only thing that is standing between you and the life you want is the decision to keep going? You wonder to yourself if you just need to stop. But don't think about that. Think about just keep moving forward and doing the best that you can. Stop wondering about the noise around you. Stop wondering about the negative things that's coming to your mind, that's going to your imagination. You need to start wondering about the positive things, about the positive affirmations. I have a story. It's me about waiting for something that I don't know if it's going to come. The opportunity for me to work at the job I want. I keep wondering if it's going to come or not, but I just keep going, just keep hoping. Just like in Star Wars, there's going to be hope. You just need to have the belief that there's going to be hope in the end, that you're going to be given the opportunity that you want. You're going to struggle, and I'm also struggling, but it's okay. You just need to keep moving forward. You just need to keep going. There are times that you're going to doubt yourself, that you're going to think negatively whether you've made the right decision or not. Because it's really hard to just think if there's going to be a light in the end. And that's why you need to be hopeful. You need to be hopeful that there's a chance that you will get what you want. And in the end, if it all fails, it's okay. Everyone fails. We fail, but we learn. We learn from all of these mistakes. And we need to try again. Because if you haven't achieved what you want, then you're still in the process. You're still in the process of achieving the things that you want, the things that you need to do. And it's okay to fail. That's the best part. You're going to fail a lot of times and you're going to avoid making those same mistakes again. You need to persist to keep on learning, to keep on failing, to keep on winning. Every win is the result of always failing and learning from the past mistakes. And that's progress, guys. You need to believe in yourself because that progress is something. It means something for you. Even if it's a small progress, that 0.01%, you're still making progress. Plus, you need to have the patience, guys. Always have the patience. You need to wait. I know that it's hard, that you're waiting for something that you don't know if it's going to come. But you need to wait. You need to have the patience. And like I said, if all else fails, then find something new. Find another option. Find some way to win again. Adapt to the situation. You have time, guys. Everyone has a time. You don't need to be pressured to doing things fast. Everyone wins in the end, but it's our own timeline. Everyone has a specific timeline. So no need to be pressured. You're going to get there. I'm going to get there. You just need to hack your brain into telling you that you can do it. We can do it. I believe in it. So you need to keep continuing the struggles, continuing the game, continuing your life, continuing that job that you don't know if it's going to give you the best thing that you want. You need to keep just moving forward. Just keep swimming, guys. Because if you just keep moving forward, if you just keep going, your future self is waiting for you. Your future self already has that one thing that you want, and they're just waiting for you to arrive. It may be slow, it may be hard, but you're going to get there. We're going to get there, okay? Don't stress it. I know it's hard sometimes. It's going to be hard for us. But we need to relax. We need to rethink things. We need to reflect. And always think that we just need to keep moving forward. Because just like I said, what if you didn't quit? What if you just kept going? What if you're closer than you think? Because we usually quit before we see the results, guys. And so just like I said in the previous videos, the story of Ben and Peter, you just need to keep moving forward. You need to keep doing what you want, the thing that you do. And eventually, you will get that diamond. You will get that accomplishment that you want, the dream that you want, the goal that you want. Keep up the repetition. You'll get there. We'll get there. Repetition beats everything, guys. It beats everything. That's why you need to keep moving forward, keep going. You're not the only one struggling, okay? I'm also struggling. The only enemy that you have is yourself, your own mind that is telling you to stop, that is telling you negative things. That's why you need to face yourself. Beat that negative thoughts. Keep moving forward, guys. You're going to think a lot of things that is going to tell you to quit, but don't. You need to think positive affirmations, positive things. I'm also stressing out sometimes, but it's okay because in the end of the day, I always think that I'm going somewhere, that I am having progress, that I just need to believe in myself, that we're going to get somewhere. Don't worry of being successful today, okay? Just don't stop moving because you might be closer than you think, guys. We might be closer to the things that we want. Tell me in the comments, guys, what's that something that you almost gave up, but you decided to keep going on? Tell me in the comments, okay? Let's get it. Let's be consistent. Don't stop. Just keep moving, guys. That's it for the video. I hope you like and subscribe. See you all in the next one, guys. Peace!